Hello, welcome to another bee swarm video. I'm here with my friend Vinny Gaming.
Hello.
Yay. He is a lot better than me.
Yeah.
You have dual magnets.
Yeah, I have magnets. I'm a little magnet. I'm gonna go to pumpkin patch, but you sadly cannot come.
I don't even have 5 bees yet.
Oh wow.
I'm sad. I need to go to the flower. I haven't done a bee swarm video since my part 2, which was a few months ago. Ow. It's been a long time. I got a quest done at least.
This world is super hard to beat.
What?
There's a lot. I have a rare wolf. It has like 250 health, but my bees don't know how to attack and they miss.
That's sad.
I killed it.
Yay.
Yay.
Make me honey, please. I needed to buy stuff. Oh, I'm sad you can't even go first person. I'm deeply sad that. You should be able to go in first person. Don't want to go there yet.
I got a royal jelly from one of these bees.
Oh, are you in the 15 zone?
Yeah.
Hey, I got a silver egg! Yes! And a million honey. Not a million. 1,000. I meant 1,000.
Barely a difference.
Ooh, I got a new bee. Yay, now I can go into 5 zone.
Come to the level 15 zone.
I can only go into 5 zone.
Wow, that's sad.
It is. Wait, why is there a spider?
Also, why does magnets help attract flowers?
I do no damage to the spider. Please help.
I'll come and help.
My bees don't do any damage. They do 3 damage max.
I'm going to save you, Olaf.
Yes. Your bees will start attacking that, so it'll drain. Yay, thanks. My newbie just leveled up to level 3.
Nice.
Ooh, a ticket. And I got a royal jelly from that. Yay.
You got a ticket?
Yeah, I just got a ticket. No, I can't get there. If only I had like a parachute or something. Which you can probably get at the 10 zone because I can see the shop up there and it has a parachute on it. That's what I'm guessing. Royal jelly, go! Ooh, a new bee. How many have I discovered? 6 types of bees. What can I get? I can get that if I want.
I'm very fast right now. I have like 3 times speed.
Ooh. Oh, I need 1 moon charm and 5 pineapples to get a helmet. 10 seeds for a belt pocket,
You build
and,
you build
3.
belts out.
I need 10 seeds. Sunflower
What?
seeds.
You need sunflower seeds to build a belt.
I don't know. Ooh, there's a sprouting sunflower field. It just got deleted?
Wow, that's sad.
There's no one in the field and it just disappeared. Hey, I got one sunflower seed from the leaves. And why does a sunflower have eyes? And shoots bubbles?
I'm coming with my parachute. Hello.
Hello. Okay, I need these. These give me so many stuff that I need because I'm beginner. I barely even know how this game works.
Got my shock
I have
to level
13,
6.
yes! I am so slow! There's one slot open, and I can see you making honey over there.
I'm not making honey. I'm just giving my pets. I'm giving my bees treats because they're very good.
Hey, I got a commander bee. Oh, I got a red legendary! Yes!
What did you get?
A red legendary.
Wow.
Shy bee.
Shy bee?
Mm-hmm.
On my other account.
Oh. Yeah. He's playing on a different account. His
I'm a
other
noob on
account is way better from what I know.
I'm a noob on this account.
I'm even noobier. At least I got a legendary bee. Time to make a pouch. Which only costs 14,000 honey, which is all my honey. That upgraded my capacity by 5,000.
You got
I
a
had
backpack?
750, now I have 500, 750.
I can buy a new egg if I want to.
Hey, a good thing that I have 5 bees and a upgraded backpack because I need 4,000 pollen from bamboo field. Eight types. Oh, I can use the slingshot. Because I'm guessing that says discover. Yep. The slingshot barely did anything. It launched me at a panda bear. Destroy all rhino beetles. No clue what they are. I just know that they're a rhino beetle. Ooh, a royal jelly. Slowly but surely climbing up the mountain to get this royal jelly on a bamboo. Don't mess up, don't mess up. Mess up now because I got the jelly. How am I supposed to get that? I'm deeply saddened. I wonder what this is. Discover 4 boobies, I'm guessing. Oh, secret passage. I found a secret passage into a secret passage.
I don't know what that means.
Hey, I found the
A
royal
secret
jelly
passage.
that I couldn't get.
Oh, there's secret passage to secret passage.
Yes. What does this do? Ooh, that gives me haste. And I'm guessing it's from my haste CV. Critical chance, huh? Four times. I ran out of haste. But luckily I got a bit more haste. Okay,
Oh, I got
time to make honey.
a basic egg.
Nice.
I got a basic bee, but I have a royal jelly.
I
I got a shock
have...
bee, but I already have a shock bee, so use another.
I have
Looker
3
bee.
royal jelly. What can I get rid of? Looker bee. Hey, I got a red epic, aka rally bee. But I don't like them.
I got
I
a
don't
brave
like them,
bee.
so he's, another rally. I got a rally, then a hasty bee, then a rally. Yeah, at least I got some new stuff. I've discovered 9 bees. I'm gonna use the slingshot after I turn in this quest and get a new quest. I see royal jellies, but I can't get to them.
Bad.
I need to go to a place that has a lot of red pollen. Where's a place that has a lot of red pollen that's within my area of going to?
Probably the ladybug field, or the mushroom field, either
The
one.
mushroom has a lot more. I need to collect 5,000 of them. So I'm just gonna camp one spot that has a lot of them.
I found a royal jelly behind this pumpkin.
Nice. Have you ever seen any hackers in this game? In Bee Swarm at all?
Probably because no one hacked in this game.
In other Roblox games, have you seen people hack?
Yeah.
Oof. Who would hack in a Lego game? AKA Roblox. It's basically a Lego game. Shift block's basically a first person. This is gonna be a while till I get this quest done.
I'm super fast right now. Super fast right now.
Oh, nice. Ooh, it's nighttime.
Ooh, nice.
Is that when the glowing bees come out?
It is.
Ooh, they're heading for bamboo. They're heading for bamboo.
Oh.
I need 1 moon charm from them. Give me your 1 moon charm. Thank you for giving me all this stuff. I actually really need it. Increase spawn. Where are they now? Oh. Run. 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 my backpack full. No. I'm sad. I don't want that. Run.
My pollen container is full. And I almost have enough pollen to finish my quest.
Nice. I have a challenge. You can only step on the rocks and browns, rocks until you get to your hive. Do you even have a parachute?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I have a royal jelly. And I got a rascal bee.
Nice.
I'ma feed a rascal bee strawberries, which almost leveled him up. Then I'm gonna give my shy bee a few blueberries, and then even more blueberries, and then a bunch of treats, and then head over and do nothing basically except for get pollen. And why is there a stick bug? Why is there a stick bug on top of a mushroom?
I have no clue.
Sad. Time to use the slingshot. Ooh, it launched me into... That sucks! Okay, don't use the slingshot. Go right next to the slingshot and watch me use it. I want you to watch me. Like, watch my character. Whee!
Oh!
I'm back at spawn. They won't allow you to go there anymore. Why even have that there when you can't even use it? That's just...
I can use it because I have the level 10 zone.
That's just mean. Weren't you able to use it in the older versions? When
I
you
think
had
so.
less than 10 bees?
Yeah.
Well, that's sad.
I finished my quest.
Nice. I might get some stuff from the shop. I'll meet you when I get to the shop. I won't bore you with the walking to get to the shop. I'm gonna edit this part out. I'm back. Yay. What
What
can I
zone are you?
get?
Zone are you gonna go to next?
I am getting something from the shop.
Which zone are you gonna go to next?
I don't know. I can't really go to any zone. Shop. I have a vacuum and a better backpack. I will scoop up every single piece of flour I can.
Alright.
Why are you so much faster than me? Why are you so much faster than me?
I have the boots that make you faster.
What are these things?
I don't know. I think
They look like jelly bean cannons.
that's because they are. They are jelly bean cannons.
So many
Right.
ladybugs. I'm just gonna be AFK here. By AFK, I mean I won't move. Yay, my challenge is done. That guy just teleported here.
What? We don't talk about that.
How did he just teleport? I think I'm just gonna turn in the quest and end the video.
Yeah. I'll come with you. I'll come.
Okay. I'll meet you there. Back. Yay. Now time to end the video.
And with the outro. Outro.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.